We're gonna be. Hello.
Calm
Audrey and
down.
Emily.
I think the heat's gotten to him too, eh?
Girls, we should go and you can watch Charlie play with Jake in our backyard for a while. And then you can take Charlie home. Why don't we go get fishing?
Anytime is fine.
And you still don't know, right?
I don't know.
What are people saying?
Some people say girl, for sure. For sure. It's probably like half. It used to be boy, 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 boy.
It's cool there, Chauncey. We swept against the water and the Actually, it was just since you came home. Last night and this morning. We didn't get him, but he's been pretty good all week. But maybe I've just been really right on it.